Hey, what's up guys, Skyload here. Today I'm going to be doing a video on getting this iPhone 4 here back to, hopefully, full functionality. So if you guys have not been paying attention too much to my recent videos, as they have been really slowing down on production, I'm very sorry about that. I've just been getting busy with other stuff. I'm sort of losing interest in YouTube, but I will still try my best to upload anyways. So as you guys can see here, we've got this iPhone 4. This is the earlier GSM model that had the antenna gate issues. We all do know it, but anyways. So this phone is in pretty good shape. There's no cracks on either side of this either slab of glass. This is a very common thing with this phone. However, there's one little problem with it. Let me just throw that off. There's no battery in this phone, so it doesn't all the way boot. However, as you guys can see here, I have indeed bought a battery for this phone. Can I open this one-handed? I'll be really skilled if I can get this thing open one-handed. So, there we go. Okay, that was not the best way. Don't ever throw a battery out of a casing like that. That's really bad for it. But anyways. So as you can see here, we have a battery. I'm really sorry for the awful lighting over here. Let me turn on my flashlight, actually. Much better. Anyways, so this phone, I got it off of eBay with a lot of devices for about $50. Basically, what ended up happening is with all these devices, let me go on ahead and show you guys all the devices here. Well, I'll grab the two that are close to functionality along with this iPhone 4. Let me just scoot it out of the way. So as you guys can see here, we got a little lot of devices. The iPhone 3G from the lot. This is the only working phone. This is an 8GB iPhone. And then we have an iPod Touch 32GB. This one is one of the non-functional devices. And then we have these other two right next to this little sticker pad. As you guys can see, I have some homework due for class, so that's why those are there. But anyways, so yeah, we got these two devices as well. This one, as you can see in the screen, is damaged. I put that little welt in the screen immediately. That was my fault, but this screen wasn't working in the first place. iPod Touch 2G, water damaged, dead. iPhone 3GS, water damaged, dead. 16GB phone. iPod Touch 2 is 16GB as well. iPod Touch 32GB, dead. But anyways, so this is the only one of the other devices that was semi-functional, because once this is plugged into a power bank, not a computer, but a power bank, it does show signs of life with an iOS 7 logo. This phone, according to iFree iCloud and iMEI Pro and iMEI 24 is iCloud locked, so I still bought a battery for it because I'm an idiot. But anyways, we're going to see if we can get this phone back up and working. So I'm going to go on ahead and put the battery in here, and I will be right back. That cable had to fold over like that, but as you guys can see here, the battery for the most part fit in pretty well. It's a very snug fit. That's one thing I do immediately notice with this. However, let's see. Let's go on ahead. We should want to slip on the back. I think it's going to end up kind of going on, sort of like, can I get this one-handed? Come on. Come on. I get it one-handed. Come on. Can we go? Oh, okay, one second. Let me go off camera to get the back on. And one iPhone back on later. We are good to go. Let's see, now, does this battery come with any charge on it? Perfect. All right. Now, the only state of this device I know is that, first of all, it is definitely a GSM phone. As you guys can see here, we had an AT&T SIM card come with it. It is apparently activation locked according to Apple servers. That's literally all I know about this device, and you can't really see it too well on camera. Maybe you can, but the device is pretty well scratched. You can see it around the camera there. So this phone is pretty dang well scratched. I really hope this phone boots up to a passcode screen that I can just simply swipe right through so I can get this person's email. If not, I'm gonna have to try and get the phone number off that SIM card, but oh well, all I know is that this phone definitely did come from California, as the seller from eBay was from California, so this phone will also take a while to boot, so I'll be back once it boots on all the way. Well, shoot, just as I expected. Okay, unfortunately this phone is activation locked, and on top of that has a passcode on it, so that sucks. Okay, I can't get around this. Is it simple password? No, it is not. No. Freaking dang it. Okay, well, let's see, I'm gonna see popping the SIM card in might do anything, but oh well. Alright guys, well I'm back. Unfortunately, this phone has no real easy signs of getting past this unfortunate crap, and on top of that, it's got an iCloud activation lock on it. No bad ESN number though, which is strange, but yeah, and as you can see, I've kind of been just playing around because I was able to get the music app to start. This guy has got a lot of songs in here. I'm just at a F, as you can see here. Special F word, but you know. So yeah, I've been kind of messing around with it. I cannot seem to get past this lock screen on top of that. I do not have any means of testing a SIM card. I used to have an iPhone 4S I could test this in, but that is long gone. I actually sold it to my friend's friend, so yeah, unless I can buy that phone back from him, which I know is unlocked. Unfortunately, it's running iOS 9, which is awful on an iPhone 4S, but we don't talk about that. But anyways, so yeah, that's kind of it for now. I'll possibly update this video if I can get this phone working. I've been looking at this SHSH tool and all this special stuff like that. But anyways, so that kind of sucks. However, I guess I'll just sit here and enjoy my music from the lock screen. So, yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wish I could have done more with this phone, but I did not. So, or I could not really. So I guess that's it. Hopefully I can get some of these other devices working well, except these two here are water damaged, that are dead, so I don't do anything with those, but that's beside the point. Hopefully I can get this iPod Touch here up and running. I might send this to someone, see if they're willing to solder in a new battery, see if that guy boots on it, what, but like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye. Go away. Anyways, so I'm back after quite a bit of a delay and kind of change around. Back here again with the iPhone 4. Let me get the lighting improved a little more. Actually, you know what? Screening me bright enough? Sure is. But anyway, so as you guys can see, we have changed our background and quite a bit of stuff since then. So as I said, this phone was activation locked. However, I was able to bypass the activation lock with a RAM disk exploit. So SSHRD is what I used with the job application on the computer, by the way. Anyways, yeah, I am in the middle of video editing, but that's besides the point. So I was able to get inside the phone and actually kind of start messing around with it. So downloaded a few apps and stuff, kind of played around with it. And so this phone had quite a bit on it, if y'all do remember from before. So I'm going to go ahead and go into settings. I'm having to kind of scroll around stuff through the viewfinder on my phone. As you can see here, so the website said this was an 8GB iPhone 4, but I strongly disagree with that because it is saying it is a 32GB iPhone 4. What the heck? That was nasty. Sorry. So iOS 7.1.2 carrier's not available because when you hack past the setup.app with the RAM disk exploit, it actually does not enable carrier service because those activation tickets were not there. But yeah, as we can see here, it's all working very, very nicely. So some of these apps do work and stuff, and I did check the battery as well. For some reason, the battery is having a bit of some trouble reading itself, but oh well, whatever. The battery does work fine and was able to charge. Dock connector works good. Headphone jack works fine. I don't know if call sound works. I know that's a problem these phones will have. But yeah, everything's working pretty well with the phone. And internally, of course, everything looks pretty good. Of course, there's a little bit of light shining through everywhere, but yeah, everything's pretty nice with this phone. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, let me see. Can I by chance close this up with one hand? I sure can. Anyways, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a very drawn out video over the iPhone 4. Hopefully I can find some way or another to contact this guy using the SIM card. I might see if I can use my desktop to actually downgrade this phone to iOS 4, although I highly doubt I can do that. But anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.